ever wondered why idea in maths can lead to endless possibilities? That's the power of variation. What then is variation in maths? Variation shows a relationship between two or more quantities where one change in one quantity can lead to a corresponding change in the other quantities. Basically, we have four types of variation. We have the direct variation, the inverse variation, the partial variation, and the joint variation. But in this video, we are going to discuss direct variation. Direct variation, let's say that y varies directly as x. This particular sign you see here is called the proportionality sign. So y varies directly as x. So to remove the proportionality sign, we include a constant k. So we write that y is equal to kx. This particular equation shows the direct variation, and this shows the relationship between these two quantities, y and what? X. Let's take a simple example to illustrate that. We have that if x varies directly as y, when x is 5, y is what? 15. What is the value of y when x is 1.5? Remember here, x varies directly as y. So for you to remove the proportionality sign and include the constant as illustrated here, you can say that x is now equal to ky. The relationship between x and y now. So you can now see that for the first statement, x is 5 and y is 15. So we are going to work out the constant proportionality in the relationship between x and y. So we'll plug in the value of x to be 5, as said here, and it is equal to y is what? 15 times the k. So for us to get the k, we'll divide the right-hand side by 15 and divide the left-hand side by 15. If you do the division, you see that k is equal to what? 5 divided 15 is what? 1/3. Now we have that the constant relationship is 1/3. So we write that x is equal to 1/3y. But here we are told to find the value of y when x is 1.5. So what you are going to do is just to put x to be 1.5, then is equal to 1/3y. So you just have to cross and multiply. You see that y is equal to what? 3 times 1.5. So y is equals to 3 times 1.5. And 3 times 1.5 is what? 4.5. So y is 4.5 and x is what? 1.5. So you can see that once there is an increase or decrease in one quantity, it results to an increase or decrease in the other quantity.